waiting for the people next to me to leave because they're getting in their car and they're watching me vlog. Gotta love that. I also have my glasses on because I look freaking tired. Look, I haven't slept in months. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today we are going thrifting. I was bored and I know I haven't made a video in a while, and it's because I was in my summer classes, and if I wasn't at school I was at work, and it was hectic. But I am finally finished. I was watching some videos last night and I was inspired to go thrifting and to revamp some clothes, hopefully. So I really hope I find something, because every time I go I don't really find anything, but I'm gonna try and stay open-minded and try to style these pieces as best as I can. So right now I'm waiting for my friend Fiamma to get out of the store, and we're gonna go to our local thrift shop, which is, I forgot what it's called. Oh yeah, she's back.
Did you put it in the blood or in the urine? Or did you put it in your urine? System? You put urine?
Yeah.
Okay. You see, up to 15 days for freaking use. And I didn't...
Talking about her drug test right now.
But I got my Starbucks Frappuccino chilled coffee drink. Because actually it's a...
caffeinated.
So, yeah. Starbucks sponsored.
I don't like those. Those never wake me up. Hospice resale shop. And there's our job over there. I love that for us. Store now. I did get a couple of things from the first store, which was like a hospice resale kind of store. Fiamma had to go somewhere, so I am alone now. And now I am at Goodwill, and hopefully we find some good stuff. By the way, this is my second coffee. This is the first one. I thought these were so cute, but they're way too big. Like, I'm literally stepping on them. I'm really tired, so I'm only gonna head to one more thrift store and call it a day. So I wanted to show everything that I got before I started cutting it and stuff. So from Salvation Army, I just got this plain black shirt, a little v-neck. It's like kind of see-through and has like this rough texture to it, and it's in pretty good condition. So I want to crop this. And then I also got this plain black Columbia shirt. It just has the little logo in front and then the logo in the back. I don't know, I like the blue with the black, and I also want to crop this. I thought it would be a comfy casual shirt for school or something. And from Goodwill I got these straight Calvin Klein jeans. Cute. It has a cute little logo on the back. Yeah, I wanted to stress these and make a bunch of holes in them. And then from the hospice store I got this black denim jacket. And then I just got this plain black shirt as well, which I also want to crop, and I think will be a nice casual shirt. So that is everything I got. I am excited to cut it up and make them nice and trendy. And I'll put the prices of everything somewhere on the screen when I'm showing the final product. So make sure you keep watching. So it is the next day. I have worked my magic.
No.
I am literally cringing at myself. Anyway, so yeah, it is the next day, and I have cropped the shirts, I have ripped the jeans, and basically fixed everything that I wanted to fix and made it more of my style. For the first thing that I am so excited for, and I'm so happy how they came out, are the Calvin Klein jeans. Yes! I made a bunch of rips in them and just made it more my style, you know, more wearable. So yeah, I added rips all along. So for the jeans, I just sketched out where I wanted the rips to be with a pen using a ripped pair of jeans I already had to go off of. And then I just used the tweezer method to create the rips. I did follow a tutorial from a channel called Sew and Tell. I'll link it down below because I did exactly what she did. And I also did tailor the bottom portion of the jeans just because they were a little flared out and they were more of a boot cut, which I was not into. Girl in the video also shows how to do this, except I did not use a sewing machine just because I didn't have one. So I sewed it by hand, which took a lot of time, but I felt like I had more control, and honestly, I don't know how to use a sewing machine, so it was easier for me to just do it by hand. These are a little bit bigger on me from the waist, but I like it because they're comfy. And they're not too big to where like they're falling off my waist or something. And these were actually $12 at Goodwill, which is kind of expensive for something from the thrift store, but Goodwill's prices are higher than most thrift stores, so. And the next thing I got is actually this shirt that I'm wearing right now. The shirt itself was cute and comfy and I would totally wear it on its own, but it's really hot right now and I just thought it would be cuter cropped. It also looks exactly like a shirt that Brandy Melville sells. The ones they sell also have that cut crop look to it, so I'm definitely happy with this shirt. And the next shirt is this Columbia shirt. And this shirt was also cute without me cropping it, but like I said, I just like crop shirts. It's more my style. I think it'll look really good with some shorts and some tennis shoes. I think it's a great shirt for school. It's a very cash. Yeah, it just looks like a regular plain t-shirt. For the next, I got this denim black jacket, which I am very happy with. I've been wanting one for quite a while, but they're so expensive and I never find one that fits right. This was a really oversized black jacket, which I did like, but I felt like it would be more wearable if I cropped it. So plot twist, I did, and I think it looks freaking fire. So for the ends, I just used a knife to start pulling on the strings of the jacket and then just used tweezers to pull them out even more. By the way, do y'all like my new nails? They're chrome. And last but not least, I cropped this plain black tee and added a little V neckline to it. It's just a casual plain black t-shirt. That is everything that I got from the thrift store. I'm so happy with everything I got. Every time I go to the thrift store, I usually never find things that I like, but this time I actually did. I hope you liked the video because I had so much fun making it. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Again, sorry I haven't made a video in so long. I was dealing with my summer classes, and if I wasn't there, I was at work, and y'all know how that goes. Adulting sucks. I'm not having a mental breakdown or anything. But just know that I really like making videos, and I really hope you guys like them because I'm not gonna stop.